Hi, I'm Isabella, one of the co-founders of CamelAI, an AI data analytics chat. Let's dive into a customer interview with Juan Honorato, the CTO of Anastasia.ai. Anastasia is a B2B SaaS tool that streamlines supply chain data for retail customers. It ingests large data sets like sales history and inventory data from brick-and-mortar stores to forecast future sales. Based on these forecasts, Anastasia provides recommendations to help customers maintain a healthy supply chain for their extensive product catalogs. Camel is integrated as the final piece, allowing Anastasia's users to interact with this data in a personalized way. In this interview, I'll ask Juan about the challenges that brought him to CamelAI, implementation process, how he trusts CamelAI's accuracy, and his overall satisfaction. But let's start with the first question. What challenges brought Juan to look for a solution like CamelAI?
So hi, I am Juan. I'm a CTO at Anastasia. Previously, we had a GraphQL interface into our database, and we tried to do what CamelAI does, and to put a model and some context around it, and to interface and run some queries and then report back on the data, and we didn't get so far enough, not even close. So we did that. It didn't make, mostly it was like a proof of concept that didn't work so well. So when we found CamelAI, we said like, okay, so it looks like easy to try, let's give it a try. And it was, well, more than easy. It was, I think that the first time it took like 5 minutes to have it running and answering questions. And well, it blew us away, the performance. So it was a no-brainer.
How was the setup and integration? And how do you ensure that Camel understands your data and provides reliable answers?
Mm-hmm. So about the integration, it's, well, really easy. Right now, given the iframe API, it's just a few lines of code. So it's super simple. For us, it was, given that we have multiple customers and we needed this multi-tenancy, it was more on our side to having prepared the database to be accessed like that, and also having the knowledge base and the reference queries to have them more scalable, so we could easily tune the responses and personalize the answers given our customers, but making it also scalable. So about the CamelAI integration, it's really direct, but the challenge then becomes on trying to get the best experience for each customer, and each customer needs like a different context within the model. So the pieces are there, the tools that CamelAI provides. We've made extensive use and testing of those, and they really let you tune the model to the customer, and that's been more than an engineering task. It's been, I don't know, like a UX maybe.
Yeah, that's very interesting. So do you have a different knowledge base for every customer?
Yes.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Do you keep that in a separate table and then connect that table to Camel, or are you using the UX knowledge base?
We're using the API to update the knowledge bases, and we have separate, just an S3 bucket with a hierarchy of different documents, and on a trigger we update all of those knowledge bases based on which file was updated.
Wow, that is a brilliant strategy, methodology.
Okay.
We need to document that so that we can recommend our other users.
Sure.
Yeah, that's very, very smart. Okay. The next is about value. It sounds like it's been a positive experience so far. Would you recommend it to other people?
Well, absolutely. Yeah, no doubt about that. Especially given how easy it is to get started. So I would encourage anyone to just give it a try. If you have a database around there, you can connect it in a few minutes and you'll see. It's really easy.
That's awesome. And then anything else? The last question I have here is, is there anything else you might want to share with potential prospects or anyone watching or reading that we didn't talk about today?
I would say that our interactions with you guys has been like really top notch. We can tell that you're really invested in this, and you're giving it all your energy and your time, and it shows. We've seen tremendous progress really fast, and the experience, the performance, all of it just works. So it really shows.
Thank you again to Juan from Anastasia.ai for allowing me to interview him. If you're interested in embedding an AI data analytics chat into your product, go to CamelAI.com/API to check out our iframe for free.